Hello students, this is just a quick video to show you how to calculate your GPA if you are not sure how to do that. Many of you maybe already know how to do it, so I guess you can tune out for the next 2 minutes. We'll see. So when you calculate your GPA, your grades are reported as letter grades because those are much more meaningful than numbers. However, you can't perform arithmetic on letters, so you have to convert those to numeric grades. And there's a grading scale that shows you what numeric value each letter grade is worth. So I've come up with kind of a typical semester maybe for a first semester student. They're in UNV 101 and English 111 and Math 025 and Music 185. And I'm putting their grades in just kind of a variety of grades so you can see what happens. So then my next step, if I'm going to fill out the whole table, which you might not, but next step is to fill in what is the numeric value. So an A is worth 4 points, and a B minus is 2.7, and a C is worth 2 points, and a D is worth just 1 point. All right. So then, like, we want your grades in English 111 to count more than your grade in UNV 101, right? Because English 111 is a 3 credit hour course and UNV 101 is a 1 credit hour course. So you're kind of making it so that fair is fair, right? And so the classes with higher GPA hours are going to count for more in your overall GPA. So the way we do that is we just multiply. So the number of GPA hours, right? So for UNV 101, that's 1. So that gives me 4 quality points. And in English 111, I have a B minus, and that's a 3 credit hour course. So 2.7 times 3 is 8.1, and I'll just pretend like I can do that in my head, but actually I can't. The next one's pretty interesting, all right? So this is Math 025. There's a couple courses that students often take, especially math, that don't bear any actual credit, any college credit. Lots of people struggle with math in high school, and so when they get to college, they kind of have to review their algebra and whatnot. So this is one of those courses, all right? And so this person is getting a C right now, which is worth 2 quality points, but actually this course isn't going to contribute to the GPA at all. All right, so that's actually 0. And Music 185, I guess this person is not liking music so much. Hopefully they're going to contact their professor so that they can figure out how to get their grade up. That's going to be 1 times 3 GPA hours. That's 3. All right, so then you add up your GPA hours, and that total is 7. And you add up your quality points, and that's 15.1. And then your last step here is to do the division. So 15.1 divided by 7, it's going to be what, a nudge over 2? I'm looking at my calculator now. Yep, a nudge over 2, that's a 2.12 GPA. All right. So then you can convert that back to the grading scale, right? If you want to in the letter grades. So a 2.2, it doesn't go exactly, but it's safe to say, you know, you're at about a C average. If you're really optimistic, you can round up and say it's a C plus. And hopefully, if you are struggling in any of your classes, you go and get some help. Reach out to the professor, reach out to the tutoring and learning center. Ask your UNV 101 instructor what you might be able to what resources you might be able to use on campus to help you with your grades. Rule of thumb, try your hardest to get a 3.0 or above, all right? That is considered a good GPA. So shoot for that, and good luck.